What's up, everybody? This is Giovanni from Options Trading Channel. I want to do a review of today's losing trade. It was absolutely terrible and it's really irking me. And I just got to put it out there. Help me learn, help you understand at home what we're looking for, what we saw. And let's just jump right into it. I don't want to take too much of your time, and I want to give you as much meat as I possibly can in the shortest amount of time, and it's helping me think about it as my own personal trading diary. I traded to the upside. I think I was the only idiot in the ICT world that traded to the upside today. And God, I just, I'm really kicking myself here. Today's premise, we're looking at the daily chart here. This is today's candle, and this is the previous day. And so the premise was that we took out the previous day high. Again, this is the daily chart. Let's go down to the 4-hour chart. There's that same high. We took it, and it took it way up here, and then it reacted, started moving down. And of course, you see the big move to the south side. And what every ICT trader, again, this is a 1-hour chart, this is what we see here. Every ICT trader essentially either got in here at this entry. It was, in my opinion, it's a little too soon, but there were some traders that took this entry here. You see the SIBI. You see the entry into that SIBI. This was at 7:45, so just 15 minutes after the opening bell, and they wrote it down. Tanya trades. She traded somewhere in here. She tried getting in short. I don't know for sure, but she traded it, got out. She got scared out of it. Again, I'm not speaking for her. What I remember, I think she went short and she got scared out of it. It never hit her stop loss, but she got out early. And I think she got in somewhere around here again and then wrote it down. But essentially, that was the ICT trade today. We had 8 o'clock news, which is 10 o'clock New York time news. And that's just something to be aware of. What I did, and I want to show you because it's just bothering me. And this is what's wrong with trading at times. And again, just because I can't do it doesn't mean that you can't do it, and so on. But what I saw essentially is, let's go down to the 4-hour. No, not the 4-hour, the 1-hour. Here we are. So imagine if you can't see this. In fact, I can do this. I can launch bar review, and I wonder if I can do that. Perfect. Let's do this. This is what I saw, in my opinion, and why I wanted to trade to the long side. At the time, live, what I saw was this 1-hour candle come down, almost close it off perfectly. What is it? If we look at the high, that is, I'm looking right here. The high of this candle is 23,554.75, and the low is 556. So darn near close. And so what I thought was going to happen was it came down here, closed off this BISI, and then it was going to go back up to the highs. That, in my opinion, was the reason why I traded this BISI here. I lost. You saw in the live stream that we got in. In fact, I got a worse fill than this true BISI. Let's zoom in here so you really see what I'm trying to tell you here. I got in somewhere around here, heck, right here, 91, I think. It happened so fast. And it was right at 8 o'clock with news. And in my mind, I just thought that this was the play. It took out the lows, this low right here, but this is a lower time frame. I get it. It just closed off the 1-hour BISI, and I thought it was just going to take off. But it did the exact opposite because of this. This right here means a lot. And I think that's why I got it wrong. I got it wrong because the initial move was to the upside. We're reverse trend traders taking out this high here. Let's take a look to see in the higher time frames what it was. It was this one on the 1 hour. See, it just doesn't really. It's this again. It's a matter of opinion. Well, actually, it's not a matter of opinion. This is in hindsight. The play was to the downside. I got it wrong. I'm beating myself up for it. But I really wanted to show you, explain to you what I saw in the moment live and the reason why I went long when it was absolutely short. The market told you that it was short because of this move here. Not only that, in the live stream, Adam even mentioned it. He said, "Oh, it also went into a 5 minute um, BISI, or no, excuse me, SIBI. Here it is. This is the 5 minute chart. It went in the moment that we got in. It went up, went into that SIBI, and then it just never looked back. Really." That he mentioned it. If you go back and watch my live video, he mentioned it. He was worried about it, and well, that's why he was worried about it. But I'm kicking myself for that, and I just it's God, it's terrible for me. But anyways, that is why I traded to the long side. Stupid idea, stupid move today, stupid trade. But hey, I'm going to show you all of my trades, win or lose, and I'm going to try to do it live. There's so many people out there that are just doing reviews of their trade and not actually showing the true execution. In most cases, they won't even actually show you their account. And you will hear. Again, sorry for just how terrible of a trader I was today. I'm going to try to do myself a favor and make myself a promise that I'm going to be a better trader. Thank you again for watching today's video. I greatly appreciate it. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button down below. You don't want to miss any of my videos. I am trying to make it here as a day trader. And also, I do have 20 Apex funded accounts that, well, I'm trying to do something with that. I'm really close to hitting that payoff amount, or I guess goal, and then I can actually grow. But again, thank you so much for watching. See you guys here on the very next video.